In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello dashboard and view multiple boards. We'll start right in your browser. Open Google and type Trello into the search bar. In the results, click the official Trello website to head over to your workspace. If you're not already signed in, do that now so Trello can load your boards and show the options we need. Once you're in, open any board you use regularly. This puts us in a familiar place and ensures the correct menu is available. At the top of your board, look for the small drop-down arrow near the board name and main toolbar. Then click it to open the quick menu. From here, choose Board so you're looking at the standard board view. This is the clearest layout for organizing access to multiple boards. Now let's bring all your boards into one place. In that same menu, scroll to the bottom and click Switch Boards. A panel opens that lists boards you can access. To make sure you're seeing everything, click All. This shows every board available to you across your workspace, which is especially helpful if you manage both personal and team projects. Next, make your most important boards stick. Find the boards you visit the most and click the pin icon next to each one. Pinning adds that board to your left sidebar, turning it into a lightweight dashboard. Take a moment to pin the key boards you rely on. Think your personal planning board, team sprint board, or any active project hub that you check daily. Once you've pinned a few, glance at the left sidebar. You'll see your selected boards neatly listed there. From now on, switching is instant. Just click any pinned board in the sidebar to jump straight to it. No extra navigation, no backtracking through menus. Everything you need is one click away. A few tips as you use this setup. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to view your pins. If a board doesn't appear under All, you likely don't have access to it in the current workspace. And if your priorities change, simply unpin a board to keep the sidebar focused on what matters most. Keeping this list short and relevant will make it feel like a true control center. That's it. You've created a simple Trello dashboard by centralizing your boards and pinning the ones you rely on. Keep it tidy, update it as your projects evolve, and you'll save time every day moving between work streams.